Welcome to Modules Institute of Technology. Welcome to today day 15 session. Okay, we'll move to the agenda. Yes, today's day 15. Again, I'm recalling this. Today's day 15. Today we are going to discuss about Ansible rules. Okay, this is the agenda today. We are going to do a little bit deep dive into Ansible rules. Okay, what is Ansible rules? So Ansible rules where when you create a role when you can recreate or reuse the same code. Okay, then we can avoid some errors like syntax errors. How we are going to be overcome this using Ansible roles, that's what today we are going to be discuss. So Ansible roles are the consist of many playbooks which is similar to the module Puppet or Chef, like Puppet or models in Puppet, cookbooks in Chef. It's same, we call the term as uses Ansible roles. Okay, so same like what are the configuration management tool handles like Chef and Puppet. The same way in Chef we call it as a module, in Chef we call it as in cookbooks, Puppets we call it as a module. Okay, so the same way in Ansible we'll call it as the same thing as a rules. Roles are a group to have roles are a group multiple tasks together into a container due to automation very effective manner. So Ansible we are discussing the automation tool till a step we are going to head in the automation in very effective manner. There we are going to be put this Ansible structure. So in this Ansible roles, under this the directory structure is very clean and it's created by Ansible. Okay, the roles are a set of tasks. The roles has the set of tasks and then additional files which alteration on the roles which allow you to break up the configuration. So the set of tasks you can make a breakup. We'll see how we can break up this task into multiple, like how we can bring it to the pieces, then how we can be reuse the same code. We can make use of this. Okay, so it can be reuse the same code by anyone. So well, what is the advantage of we are going for Ansible roles? We can reduce some syntax error. Okay, so we'll discuss about, again I'll recall what is the what is the Ansible roles. It has the consistent of multiple tasks. The roles we are going to be give a multiple task together to put into a file and you make it run over there, where others can also be reuse the code. So that is where the Ansible roles in the coming to the picture. So so where is the new one in the infrastructure tool? No, already in Chef and Puppet, the model and cookbooks are there. The same term we are reusing. Okay, so here we'll look into that, how to create a directory structure. We are the roles are away from the multiple tasks and the content we are telling in the clean directory structure. How we are going to be create a clean directory structure. The roles are a set of tasks and additional files of alteration roles which allow to. So here this point, the third point, we are discussing how we are breaking the task by task, because in a play it has the multiple tasks. Here how we are going to be break this task. Okay, I like quickly jump into that configuration. Just I'll bring my font size up. Give me a sec. Changes need to be done. So I'll make it 16. Okay, apply. Cool. So we are getting to our lab section. So I like to create a Ansible role here. Okay, under name of some test one. Okay, Ansible Galaxy. Need for initialization. Okay, so where I'm going to be created this role, under /etc /Ansible roles. Okay. So before getting to this, I'll just cross check whether the role directory is available. Okay, cd /etc /Ansible equal to roles. Yes, there is a directory is there already. Some files has been some roles has been created. I'll create and show you a new role. Okay, so for that I'll do come to my home screen, Ansible -galaxy init /etc Ansible /roles. It's a typo. Ansible roles. I'm going to create a role as a test1. Yes, you can notice here Ansible role has been test1 has been successfully created, but already I have two roles, existing roles, which I'm going to make use, Apache and then HTTP. I'm going to pick HTTP and make use of this role. Okay, I like to move that cd /etc /Ansible roles. Okay, so like to remove Ansible galaxy role, Ansible -galaxy remove /Ansible roles test. You can see this how you can remove an Ansible role as well. We have discussed both how to create an Ansible role and how to remove an Ansible role. Okay, clear. cd /etc Ansible already, as I said earlier, I'm going to pick HTTP role. Okay, the HTTP inside in this HTTP there are directories and files are there inside this directory. One is first one, you can see there are defaulters, second one files, third one handlers, fourth one HTTP, fifth one meta, and then there is a two files, readme.md, roles.aml, tasks, templates, test, vars. These are the directories contained by HTTP. Let's try HTTP. Let's dig into that and can have a look. So inside, what are the files and directories contain? We can have a look. Okay, so each directory has some file. I'm going to be explain each and every directory. So I'm waiting for to list using t command what are the files inside contained is t. It's trying to fetch. I don't know, it's taking a little time, but it has to give an output. Okay, As of now, I'll break it here. So I'll show this t command later point. So what are the files contains? Now ls fnl. So what the defaults contains? So defaults, let me get into defaults. Yes. So you can see here there is a file contain main.yaml. Okay, this file, just read what this file contains. See, this file contains just a default file for /etc/ansible http. This is the roles config file of this main.yaml. Okay, here you can have your all variable declaration and everything, you can have it here. Okay. Second, I'm coming to the files. The files contains. So here you can keep all your source file information. Here you can see here I have kept two files. One is http.original, one is index.html. This source file you can keep it here, all the source file. Okay. So handlers, what is in the handlers? Let us get into the handlers. ls. There is a file main.yaml. Let me read what the main.yaml. See, there is a handlers you can declare here. You can see just if any changes is there, then it's going to be restart. Okay, I have declared here. I return the play here. Okay. So same way, the meta information contained the meta directory, and then the task, the important, all your task want to be pasted in your or you write all your task into the task directory. Let me get into task directory. Task directory. Okay, see, there are two ways you can write the task directory inside the task directory, where you can directly copy and paste your code, or you can write your code under in task directory. Else, where you can write also under, there is a file maim, no mail I am not considering about. So here you can, another way you can do it, you can import your file config.yaml. okay, install.yaml. So let us view what is there in config.yaml. So here this file contains about the configuration data, where the source data is there, and then destination location where it's need to be copied. Okay, this information contains here. So first I supposed to look into vi install YAML. The first service, here the task we have given as an -name install http package. Just I have declared a package just to write install a package. Okay, this is the installation. So there is another file called service. Let me look into service. Service, here the service going to be restart. I have been used restart module. Sorry, service module as well. Okay, this how we discussed when we are started and briefing about. I told we are going to be break the codes. So this how I'm going to be broken here into three pieces. One is installation file, another one is configuration file, another one is within a play the task I have given imported defined in a three files. Okay, this how you can have how many numbers of files you need it, you can have it here. Okay, that is possible here. Then again the template directory as usual, the template is going to be push it here. We are going to be move or copy or paste the template, we can make use of it. and the test directory, sorry, your var directory contains all your variable information. Here you can declare your whole, whereas in your defaulters have a variable list, but if you return in vars which is going to be taken higher priority, these vars will be override your default files. Okay, clear? Ready? And then I'm moving to, I have a return a file slash Ansible, and I move to roles. So let me check ls. So here I have done configured everything and I have done with this. So I have written a playbook. So let me open the playbook, run setup.aml. See, this how I have defined everything, and then under roles I have just called this module, this role, and get it done. Okay, already I have been executed this. Just validate in my client machine whether it has been executed. Root, and before that what are the things we have done. So I moved again role, we have configured and we have triggered the service and we have seen as such root @192. I'm just going to my client node and checking whether my services has been started. Sorry. Okay, before that I'll execute my play. I like to execute my play Ansible playbook. Okay. Oh, there is an error. Okay, yeah. Have written one more sample. Let me execute that. Ansible sample. Oh, I made a mistake here. Ansible playbook. Book. Playbook.ml. Okay, it's gathering the facts. Play is installing. So my play is installed. Okay, the installation has done. The services task has been done. Okay, so already I have done. I have assigned the 3 tasks. One is installation, another one is enable my service. If any changes, restart my services. Let me validate. Such 192.168.1.105. This is my remote node. Okay. No, I think as such at 1.6 it got changed. Yes, it got changed here. So I have installed HTTP service. Let me validate system. Status HTTP. Yes, my Apache server is up and running, and it got active installed and it got actively running. Okay, exit. Make use of this Ansible roles. Okay, I'll come to the summary now. So the quick summary today we have done. So yes, I like to show you one more thing. The tree, how the structure is there in here. Yeah, you can notice here the HTTP, how the file structure is there working. The HTTP under defaults and main YAML is there. Under files there is HTTP. This is the source file are there. This is the handler files. Everything under MAL it's created by Ansible. It's created a directory structure so that here, so these many files we have contained here. Under task I have one configuration file, one installable playbook, and one service to enable a service. That's what the 3 tasks. And then see under test the inventory, and then inventory dot OAML, which is test OAML, which we have given as a OAML. The variables dot, it has been by all these files and directories are there in our Ansible HTTP roles. So this will be, we can reuse each and every time. Okay, anyone can reuse. Okay, we have reached our session today. So what we learned today, so I'll quickly give you a quick summary. We have created a role, Ansible role, which using Ansible-Galaxy init /etc under Ansible under role under your role name. Okay, here it should be, sorry, it should be offline. I have made a mistake, offline. Then we learn how to remove a role, and then inside the role, the main, what are the files we contain in that Ansible roles, we have detailed discussed in the file, how we are uploading the file and all we have discussed so far. This is all about our Ansible roles. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. Do share if you like our videos. Please do share, which is motivate me to and to encourage me to do more videos. Thank you.